You want to know what the cool thing with style is? You pick a few items up and your fits will instantly look better. Today I'm going to show you the 6 things that when I want to level up, it doesn't matter if I'm just wearing a basic t-shirt. I throw any of these 6 items on, your fits look better. Let me hop into this. Number 1, this one you don't even have to buy anything. It's just know-how. Knowing how and when to tuck. See, what you gotta understand is that if you wanna change up your fit, if you wanna change up your body's proportions, mess with the proportions of your clothing. So instead of just regularly wearing your stuff untucked, there's a lot of items that you can tuck in. Your t-shirts, you can tuck them in. Your hoodies, you can tuck them in. Your crew necks, you can tuck them in. Obviously, your button downs, you can also tuck those in. The point is, you're not gonna do this always, but in certain situations, it actually looks better when you tuck it in. Now that it almost cleans up your proportions, where it makes your legs look longer, you look taller, and the top part, you look a little bit beefier. Tucking in is one of the easiest ways to level up your fits. Number 2, necklaces. I am a lover of necklaces. It's one of those, I would say I like watches, and then like a close second, it'd be necklaces. Like, they got the power to make any fit look better. Whether you're dressed up, whether you're wearing a hoodie or a crew neck, or just a basic t-shirt, you throw on a pendant necklace, and now you look money. Now you look like you've added complexity to your wardrobe. And what I like about necklaces is that still the majority of men are not wearing them. So this is one of those key accessories that are distinguishers, that you throw them on and it will set you apart from the crowd. Now the cool thing with necklaces, you got different colors, different shades, different lengths. Personally, I love to stay within that 18-inch, which is what I have now, to 20-inch length. I think it's perfect because you can wear it under a button down and you still get people drawn into your neck area. It kind of elevates that sex appeal and it's always visible. Number 3, a bag. See, I don't care what you're wearing. You could be dressed up like I am right now. You could be wearing cargos and a t-shirt. Whatever it is that you're wearing, one of the fastest ways to elevate your fits is with a key bag. And it can be anything. It could be a crossbody bag. It could be a satchel. It could be a briefcase. It could be a duffel bag. It could be a backpack. Personally, I carry a backpack and a duffel bag. Those are the 2 bags that I always go for almost on a daily basis. If I'm hitting the gym, I always have a duffel with me, and if I'm not, it'll most likely just be a backpack to carry my stuff. And the key here is leather. I always go with leather. Both of my bags are from Mahi leather. This is what I wear on a daily basis just because the stuff looks good. Like, you look at the leather from Mahi leather, it looks like the leather you would find in designer stores in a big department store where it could easily cost you $500 to $1,000. The leather is supple, it's soft, and the cool thing with Mahi is that the more you wear it, the more the leather wears in and it starts developing its character. So it almost becomes this unique accessory that becomes a distinguisher, and anytime you step out with it, you look different, you look better. And the best part about having a leather bag is that it also keeps things organized. Now you don't have to stuff your pockets with your keys, your wallet, your phone, all this other stuff. You can keep it in your bag. That way your outfits remain sleek, no awkward bulges, and that extra bag is that extra accessory. Guys, if you want a sweet leather bag, like if you don't have a good bag yet, you need to pick one up. Whether it's a backpack or a duffel bag, I got you covered. See, with Mahi leather, like I said, the quality of the leather is insane, and it's also made to order. So as soon as you place the order's custom made for you, which also allows you to put in your initials to make the bag look even more luxurious, so even more personalized, even more for you. The crazy part, it's insanely affordable. Even customizing it, you're getting a bag that's crazy affordable compared to anything else on the market, and there is a discount. See, Mahi leather bags are already very affordable, so their margins are thin, but even though their margins are thin, we were able to negotiate a discount. Every time we do this, these discounts only last about a week or 2, which means that if you want a nice bag, right now is the time to click that link down below, pick one up, use that discount code, and if you're looking for holiday gifts and stuff like that, like, yo, this is the best spot to pick one up, and I would use that discount code to get it as affordable as possible. The cool part is, for every bag you pick up, they donate a portion of your order to the Frank Water Foundation to get people in need clean, accessible water. So it's a win-win-win. Boys, if you guys want to check out Mahi leather, they're going to be linked down below. Number 4, your sneakers. This is one of the fastest ways to level your game up. See, a lot of times you'll just be wearing jeans and a t-shirt. This is like most people's everyday fit, whether that's a fitted fit or a loose fit. And what ends up happening is that you end up wearing the same white sneakers over and over again. I fall into this trap myself just because it's easier. However, if you are ever in the mood to really just level it up, forget about all the complexities of the outfit, swap out the shoes. Add just a little bit of a pop of color, especially if you're already wearing a basic fit on top. Get a little bit of fun down there, and I promise you, you're gonna level up your fit. That pop, it'll make you stand out. Number 5, it's rings. See, this, again, when it comes to leveling up your fits, a lot of times it's not about designer stuff. It's not about redoing your wardrobe. It's just about buying key accessories. And if you're already past the watches and you're past the rings and you want that extra oomph, go for rings. See, rings are great because it's that key accessory that most guys aren't wearing. So when you wear it, now you're a differentiator. Now you're standing out from the crowd, and you can start stacking up these rings to really stand out. Personally, you can go up to 2 to 3 rings max per hand, and you look pretty sick. And finally, number 6, it's a shirt jacket. You heard that right. It's basically a shirt that's worn like a jacket. So it's basically a shirt that's thicker than a shirt, but it's lighter than a jacket. And what I love about this is that it gives you utility for all year. You can use this literally through summer because it's not super heavy, but it also becomes a key layering piece for fall and winter. The cool thing with the shirt jacket is that you throw that on over a basic t-shirt, instantly your fit looks better. It looks like you're trying harder, but in reality, you just threw on another shirt on top. That extra layer adds complexity to your fit and makes it better. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Mahi Leather. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.